Broccoli. In a recent survey of the most popular vegetables in the United States, broccoli is listed in the top 10. Nutritionists remind us that we should eat vegetables that are nutrient dense. Vitamin C, which many people will be surprised, is a nutrient that broccoli has in abundance. Older adults and seniors aged 50 and above eat more vegetables today than we did when we were younger, but not as much as recommended for people our ages. Older adults and seniors need vitamin C to protect against deficiencies in our aging immune system. According to a government article, vitamin C promotes healing. Half a cup of broccoli contains 70% of the vitamin C you and I should be absorbing every day. In addition to vitamin C, broccoli has stored for us to absorb water, protein, dietary fiber, plus additional vitamins and minerals. Many older adults and seniors can absorb a fair amount of the nutrients that they need from foods. Two minerals that are important to older adults and seniors that you may be familiar with are potassium and iron. Minerals help your body function. Potassium helps to improve our heart health and regulate our blood pressure. Iron is a mineral the body needs for older adults and seniors when it comes to continued growth and development. There are a variety of ways in which you can eat as much broccoli as you want. You can include it in your lunch or dinner. Add it to a salad or include it in one of your meals. My preferred way of adding broccoli to my diet is to include it in one of my healthy smoothies. As you can tell, when it comes to older adults and seniors aged 50 and above, broccoli is an important vegetable for us to eat. Take a look at some of the other videos available to you about healthy eating on the Self-Made Healthy Eater channel. Enjoy and learn more about being a self-made healthy eater. And go ahead and click the subscribe button below so that you may receive more videos from us about healthy eating and how to be a self-made healthy eater.